How to make money online with the new flip method. Hey gang, my name is Mike with myrealestatedojo.com, and today I'm going to teach you the step-by-step process of making money online with the new flip method. Now, what is the new flip? The new flip is a revolutionary business in a PDF that I teach my students how to turn $100 into $700 in warp speed, which is very, very fast. Let me show you an example. This is a deal that I have done where I put up $20 and I flipped it into $150 in 19 hours. Again, I put up $20. I bought a bicycle from a motivated seller and I sold the same exact bike for $150 in 19 hours. Here's another deal that I did where I paid $40 and I flipped this exact bicycle in 3 days for $240. So again, I put 40 and I made 240. Here's another deal that I did where I bought the bike for $100 and then I turned it around and I sold it for $300 in just 1 day, ladies and gentlemen. That's like less than 24 hours, okay? Now, I've also done bicycle trailers. I bought this burly red bicycle trailer for just $25 and I sold it for $300, like crazy returns. I bought this other trailer for $100 and I sold that for $300, okay? Here's another good deal. I bought this bicycle for $100 and then I sold it for $400. I bought this bicycle, which is a track, for $20 and then I sold it for $247. Okay, so when I tell you the new flip is the best way to make money online, I'm not joking. Not only have I done it, I have had a lot of other students from California to Oklahoma to New York, all the way to Great Britain, all the way to Canada, people doing deals, okay, flipping bicycles. Many people don't realize that the bicycle industry is $1 billion industry. Everyone rides, from kids to adults to high schoolers to collegers to athletes to so many other people. And there are so many motivated sellers out there because most of them don't know anything about selling anything online. They don't know anything about the bicycles. And I can tell you, I'm getting crazy returns, 500, 700% return with just $100. And the most amazing thing is, I don't even fix the bikes. I don't know how to fix bikes. I don't teach my students how to fix bikes. We sell bikes as is. All we do is, which I show you in my book, which is a copy and paste formula for you to win, is buy the bike from a motivated seller for a deep, deep discount, quickly wash it, quickly take amazing pictures of it called staging, and then turn around and write a great description, which we give you in our course for copy and paste. We show you how to take those amazing pictures because we have pretty good training. We show you how to get the bikes at a deep, deep discount because we'll give you our offer letter and a copy and paste formula. So, and on top of that, there's free support, lifetime one-on-one free support for you. We want you to win. I want you to win. So when you buy my book, when you buy my course, I'll give you an answer every and all your questions because I want you to do these flips. I want you to stack your cheese. I want you to win without the bankers. I want you to win without debt because I believe you and I are more powerful than a debt, than a stinky banker, than a FICO score. And I'm here to help you become your dreams. And that's why I stand behind my product, the new flip, that I know you're going to make money if you're a hustler. If you don't take action, then nothing's going to happen, right? You can't just, there's an old saying with the crackers, just like when you pray, you got to move your feet. If you don't move your feet, nothing's going to happen, ladies and gentlemen. But if you want to make some side hustle, if you want to make some quick cash, if you want to have a legitimate business where you can have $1 million a year or a month coming in, then a new flip's for you. It doesn't matter if you're trying to make a little money, if you're trying to have a full-fledged business. Depends on how you position yourself. You can make the new flip make you a lot of money, ladies and gentlemen. Now, the whole system works on dealing with motivated sellers, and I have tons of videos that talks about how to find these motivated sellers, like on Facebook Marketplace and OfferUp, But the key of the cream is my offer letters, which I give you because I have over 25 years of entrepreneurship, real estate investing experience, and I negotiated homes. So negotiating bicycles, I systemize it, I give you a copy and paste so you can make money. So make sure you download the new Flip. Now, if you have any questions, leave a comment below. If you had success, let me know. If you bought the course, you haven't joined the free support group, make sure you contact me at My Real Estate Dojo because I want to help you answer every one of your questions. Make sure you're able to win with the new flip system, which is flipping bicycles, starting with $100 and being your dreams. Thank you so much for watching. Don't take no for an answer. Remember, you're braver than you believe, stronger than you seem, smarter than you think, and twice as beautiful as you ever imagined. Romy, peace.